So here I am in Revit, and as usual, first we will create some new levels. Select this one, then create similar, draw a new level at 4 feet. Now create another one here at 10 feet. Let's rename this 00 minus 4 feet side. Click yes. The reason why I added 00 is only to take this level to the top of this list here. Now let's rename this one 01 ground level. Click yes again, and this will be 02 level 1, and the last one will be 03 level 2. Now let's go back to this ground level again, and first we will model this building and then we will create the topography. So first we need to draw some new reference levels. Create another one here. Now let's name this, and this will be 2, and go here and double click on this elevation, and here we can now draw our house. So I'm going to be using roof to create that. Just go here, select roof by extrusion from this drop down, and once you click on that, it will ask us to set the work plane. So select reference plane 1, click OK. OK again, and let's edit this roof type. Duplicate, this will be 6 inches. Now go here, edit, and put 6 inches thickness here. Click OK, and let's draw the sketch for the roof. 20 feet, and then just draw on this until this level 1. Now I will just select this line and move this up 6 inches, because the thickness of this roof is 6 inches, so we have to put that here. So when we click finish, the roof will be perfectly placed on this level 2. You will understand this in a minute. Now use fillet arc radius. Let's try 1 foot. Select this line, then this one, and click finish, and you can see the roof is now perfectly placed on this level 2. Let's see that in 3D. ST for shaded. Now select this and give the length 65 feet. And try to take that to the center. Okay, go to level 2. Select this and try to take this to the center. You can see we cannot actually take this here. So this roof is actually attached with this reference plane, so we need to detach that. There are 2 ways to do that. You can either click on this log icon to dissociate, or you can just go here, edit work plane, and just click on this dissociate button. And now we can move this freely. Just take that to the center here, and now go to this view, this south elevation here, and we'll create another roof by extrusion. Go to architecture, select roof by extrusion, then set the work plane to reference plane 2, then click OK. OK again, and let's draw the sketch. Maybe 40 feet, and draw this line at 60 degrees. Then here 18 feet, and just join that to this wall, to this roof, and then take that until here. So we have created something like this. Now again I will just take this and I will just move this up 6 inches and use fillet arc, check radius, then select these two lines, and here also, then select this one and this, then click finish. Go to 3D. You can see it's looking a bit weird, so we need to adjust the length of this roof. Select that, go to the left view here and use this handle, just drag that until this roof, and on this side as well. So we have created this shape. Now if I zoom in here, you can see there is some part of this wall we need to cut, and we will use void to create that. Go back to left view and go here from this drop down, select model in place, just press G for generic models, click OK, and let's go here and select void extrusion from this drop down. Set the work plane, pick a plane, just pick the face of this wall, hit tab key if you cannot select the face. Now use pick lines and pick this edge of this roof and draw a profile like this, and click finish, and just orbit around and just take this through the wall. And now we can cut this. Go here, select cut geometry, select this void, and then this roof. Perfect. So we got this smooth edge here. Now we need to create another void here to make this edge smooth. Go to this front view and go back to create, select void extrusion, and then set work plane, pick a plane, pick this face, use line and draw lines like this, then use fillet arc, radius, select both these lines and draw the profile, HL for hidden line so you can see it clearly. Draw from here. We can just take that until here, then this one until here, click finish, and just click on this void extrusion again and use this handle and take that through this roof on both sides. Don't leave this on the face, otherwise it will not allow you to cut. You just need to take this out a bit. Now cut geometry again, multiple cut, select this void and then select this roof first and then this one. So if I change this to shaded, you can see we got this smooth curve here also. Now click finish model and I will just save this project. Now let's create wall here. So go to level 1 here and go to architecture, select wall. Let's select a 6-inch wall and then change the location line to finish face exterior and draw from here, from this corner, hit space bar to flip that and go to 3D. We will edit the profile of this wall, select that, edit profile, go to the front view, delete this profile, we'll create our own. Use pick lines, pick all these edges here, this one. Now use TR for trim and trim this extra line here, and we got our wall here as well. Now let's create the curtain wall here. So this time we will go back to level 1 again and select wall. From this drop down, select curtain wall and draw it. Let's draw from here 15 feet or maybe 16, and then just take that until here. Select this curtain wall, just drag this dot and place to this edge of this roof here. Now change that to 18 18 feet, and here also maybe we will change this to 5 feet. Now again we need to edit this curtain wall profile. Go to 3D view, select this one, and then just attach that to this roof. Okay, it did not work, so yeah, it worked actually. So now select this one, edit profile, go to front view, delete this profile, and or I will just undo and drag this line until the roof here. Remove constraints. This one also move here. Remove constraints, then use pick lines and pick these edges here like so, then TR for trim. Okay, we can just drag this one until here, or delete. We will create a new one. Use pick lines and pick this edge, then TR for trim, and finish. So we got our curtain wall here also. Now we only need to create glass here on this side as well as here, so we will use a model in place to create that, and we have to place a door here as well. So let's place that first. Go to insert, load door, load a new door family. Go to doors, select this double door, open, and to place the door we first need to add the grid lines. So go to architecture, select curtain grid, and we can go to the front view, south elevation, select curtain grid again, leave 6 feet there, and here again 6 feet. We can just place and select this and put 6 feet. Use curtain grid again, and this time we'll place a horizontal grid. Select that and change this to 7 feet. Now we'll remove some of these segments. It's not necessary, but I will do it now. To do that, just select this curtain grid, then it will give us this option, add remove segments. Click on that, then select this segment, escape. Now select this curtain grid, remove segments, and here as well, this side and on that side. Now we can place our door here. Just hover over the edge and hit tab key couple of times to highlight this panel. Select that, and from here you can select the door which we have just loaded in. Now if you want to show the handles, you can just change the detail level to fine. Perfect. Again in 3D view also, let's change the detail level to fine. Now let's create the glass here. Go to level 1 and select component, model in place, and here again I will select generic models. Click OK, and let's create a void extrusion first. (10 feet by 13). Just use arrow keys and take that near the roof, and go to 3D. So we have our void here. Now use this handle and just take that through the roof. And on this side just take that out a bit and cut. Use cut geometry, then select this void and then this roof. So we have created this opening, and now we can create the glass here, and for that we will use extrusion. Go to left view, change the visual style to wireframe, and go to create extrusion, use pick lines, give 2 inches offset here, pick this edge, just hit tab key. Okay, first I think we need to set the work plane, so click set, pick a plane and pick the face of this roof. Now use pick lines, 2 inches offset, like so. Then you just click on this line again to create another 2-inch offset for the glass, and now use line, close here, or we can just close here and drag that until this void. You can see the cut here. For the void, go to this side, close this, and then drag that until here. Now click finish and go to back view here, click outside and then select void again to get these handles. Just drag that until this opening here, this one also. So let's apply glass material to this. Select this and go here, materials. You'll already have glass material loaded by default. Select that. Okay, and to create the mullions here we can use sweep. So go to create, select sweep, and then change the visual style to hidden line. Use pick lines and pick the edges of this glass. Okay, for some reasons we cannot see the glass here. I think it went inside this roof, so click cancel here and go to back view and just try to align this to this cut here. Now we can change the visual style to hidden lines and use sweep, pick path, pick the edges of this glass. Now go to this back view here and draw the profile for the mullion. Click select profile, then edit profile, use rectangle and draw our mullion here, maybe 5 inches by 3. Just select all and move that and take to the center of this glass. And let's click finish again, and there you go, we have created this mullion here. Let's apply material to this. Select sweep, go here in the material and select aluminum material. Okay, now we will use same method and create the glass on this side, and we'll use same model in place to create that. Select this one, then edit in place, go to left view, and first we will create the opening here. Change the visual style to hidden line and go here, select create, then void extrusion, set the work plane, click on this face. You cannot actually see these two lines because it's angled, so you just need to click when you see these two horizontal lines. Now change the visual style to wireframe and draw a rectangle here, 9 feet by 6 maybe. Yes, it's already 9 by 6, and use fillet arc. Check radius, fillet all these corners, then click finish and go to the front view here, and you can see you just need to take this face of this void through the roof. Now use cut geometry, select geometry, and then this roof. There you go, we have created this opening. And now we can go to the front view here and change the visual style to wireframe, so we can create the glass. Select create, then extrusion, pick lines. Okay, first we need to set the work plane to this face here. Now use pick lines, give offset here 2 inches on this side, then another one. Now use lines, close this here on this side. Then we can just drag this and take to this opening here. And go to the left view and change the visual style to shaded. Just select that and use this handle and take until this window here. Now let's apply the glass material to this. Now here we will not use sweep to create the mullion, but instead we will use extrusion. So go to left view, change the visual style to hidden line again, and use extrusion. Draw around this, but before that we need to set the work plane to this face. Now draw a 9 by 6 rectangle, 9 feet by 6. Place here. Use pick lines and give offset here 2 inches. Just hover over this rectangle and hit tab key a couple of times. First click, then hover over this line and hit tab key, select, and okay, I forgot to fillet the corners. Now use pick lines, give 2 inches offset, hover over this line and hit tab key a couple of times, then click finish. And this one we can edit in the front view. Change the visual style to wireframe. And for this one we can apply aluminum material. So we have finished modeling this cool looking house, and I will stop this tutorial right here. It's already too long, but if you want me to model topography and swimming pool in part 2, please let me know in the comments below, because my previous video was also about modeling topography and swimming pool in Revit. So again, if you want the same tutorial, I will do it for you guys, so just comment down below. So that's it for this video. I hope you have learned something new, so please make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications, and don't forget to check out my interior course. You can follow the first link in the description. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.